So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download Roblox Studio on a PC or laptop. So first of all, open the browser on a PC. Now here type Roblox. Now click on the first link. After this click on login. Now log into your account. So now here click on the login button. Now log in to your Roblox account. Once you log into your account, click on this create button. Now here click on start creating. Now you will see this option called download studio. Click on it. Now this says unverified download blocked. Click on it. Now click on download unverified file. Now this will download Roblox Studio installer. Open it. And this will start installing Roblox Studio on your Windows PC. Wait until the process is completed. And now the Roblox Studio is installed. Now you can log into your account and start creating the app. So this I can download Roblox Studio on PC or laptop. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.